Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I've been going crazy buying sandals. Specifically I've been looking for Jack Rogers sandals on Poshmark and Macari, and this one just came in and was wrapped like this. So the wrapping job is pretty crummy. And here are the sandals. Overall I think the last two pairs I bought were in better quality. This one has major marks on it, and I'm just going to try to clean that up. And also the bottom of it is pretty scuffed up. I'm kind of bummed with these sandals right now. I bought these for $28 and they retail for like $125, so I hope I can clean it up, but I usually don't buy shoes looking like this, and so I'm kind of bummed, but I guess that's what you get for buying used. The pictures on Poshmark actually look better than this pair of sandals, so we'll see. I hope I can clean this. If you have any advice on how to clean shoes, let me know. If you like this video, like my unboxing videos, and find out ideas on how to buy designers for less, follow my channel here down below, or follow me on Instagram at designer haul. Thanks a lot. Bye.